Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade cheesecake. First, gather your essential ingredients like cream cheese, sugar, eggs, and a pre-made or homemade graham cracker crust. It's crucial that your cream cheese and eggs are at room temperature for a perfectly smooth batter. Also, remember to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit before you begin mixing. This preparation ensures a consistent bake and a delightful texture. Now, let's create that luscious batter. Start by beating your softened cream cheese with sugar until the mixture is light and airy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, gently incorporate the eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing only until they are just combined. Overmixing can lead to cracks. Finish by stirring in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. For a flawless cheesecake, a water bath is your best friend. It helps prevent cracks and ensures even cooking. Place your springform pan in a larger roasting pan, then add hot water. Bake for 60 to 75 minutes until the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. After baking, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool slowly inside for 1 hour before refrigerating for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Once your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, it's ready to be enjoyed. Garnish it with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate, or a homemade fruit compote. For clean slices, dip your knife in hot water and wipe it clean between each cut. This ensures every piece looks as good as it tastes. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.